Hello everybody, and welcome back to the shop for this late night episode of Bob TV. And me and little Trixie Poo. Remember my baby little girl? She ain't a baby little girl no more. Now she's a big old brat. The dog is so funny. You want to talk about a brat? Is that right, Trixie Poo? Come here. Come here, see Daddy. You guys want to see how big Trixie Poo's getting? Look at this thing. Oh, look out for my riveter. Look at this thing. She's getting so big. Trixie Poo. That's my little baby girl. She's a solid brat right there. Ain't she? She gonna be good sometimes, but not very often. AKA Sid Vicious. I'm telling you. But I almost got the top of this done, guys, and it's 20 till 2 in the morning. Jonathan, finally got your first hit. Hey, Jet Doctor, you ain't really gonna let your buddy Jonathan come to Kentucky Jets without you again, are you? Come on, get on that airplane with him. Get on that airplane, I'll let you fly my 16 with a P200 in it. Oh yeah, you won't even have to bring airplane, buddy. Come on. Philip Johnson needs you here to calm him down, man. That guy just walks around giggling the whole week. You know, he just loves this stuff, man. He just walks around giggling. It is funny. I like Jonathan. So it's your turn, Jet Doctor. Come on. You gotta come keep an eye on your buddy. Because he's having way too much fun. You gotta pull them reins back just a little bit. Oh. That's what I love about this stuff, man. It's just all the people you meet. You know, I'm friends with people from overseas. Jonathan and Ollie. You know, hey Ollie, that reminds me, man. We got to find out. We got to find out what battery to put in there, for that motor. I know we can go up to 12 volts. I'm thinking a 12 volt lipo. I don't think we want to go with the A123 because of the discharge. They drop down too low in the volts. And my battery guy didn't think A123 should be the ideal battery. And he didn't want to build one too high of volts. That'll hurt the ECU. What batteries we use, man? We can get a 3-cell lipo from Hobby King, man, cheap. It's only calling for a 10C. Because if you use too high a C, it says in the book that it will burn up the ECU. So you got to use a low C with the small wires. And that's a cheap battery from Hobby King. But I'm just not sure. It kind of talks about lipos a little and NiCads. I don't think we want to use NiCads. I think 3-cell, 12 volt lipo. What do you think, everybody? I do not have a battery for it. I got a regular, 2-cell lipos, but it didn't work that well and that was just a 30-pounder, because we had to switch to a 12 volt, and you can adjust them. You can adjust the ECU from 7 volts to 12 volts. But I'm just not real sure. Can John build a a 5-cell A123 battery. Will that be too many volts? Will that hurt it? John will hook us up with the A123s. Or Hobby King's 3-cell LiPo. Let me know what you think there, Ollie. I gotta get something here quick. We can order one from the Hobby King from the USA warehouse and be here in a few days. I've been meaning to call Peter, in fact, and I keep forgetting. Peter at Alter Care. I think I called him in Canada. Anyone else know what battery I should run in that Biotech? John's worried about a 4-cell A123 dropping too many volts when the Caro starter comes on and that big old fuel pump and everything else. So would a 5-cell be too much? Or should we just go with a 12-volt LiPo setup? I need some input, guys. We gotta get something going quick. That's about the only thing I'm lacking, though, Ollie. Smoke pump. I ain't got a smoke pump yet. If you want to go without a smoke pump, we can just fill all them tanks with fuel. It's up to you, buddy. Just let me know what you want to do so I can plumb it. Accordingly. A gallon. Well, I think with the weight savings, because I even got new stabs. Remember them heavy stabs you picked up, and you got new stabs on the tail end, which kind of is going to make up for the extra little bit of weight in the turbine, I reckon. But with the other weight savings, we will still be lighter than we was in California. Way lighter. I just hope I don't have to dump a bunch of nose weight in it. You know, we lost weight with that opening canopy. So all I got to do tomorrow is I'm going to flip these upside down and do the bottom side tomorrow morning. Sand them. The wind's supposed to die down tomorrow. Guys, tomorrow night's going to be the perfect night for painting. And all I'll have to do is the bottom of this wing and the drop tanks. But the drop tanks, guys, there ain't near as many rivets on them. There's a bunch of rivets on these wings, man. There's like 1.5 million per side. There's a bunch of rivets on here, man. I don't know if I'm just overdoing it or I ain't just gonna do it. You know, there's really just two people I gotta please, me and Ollie. I think if I'm happy, Ollie's happy. So it's gonna work out good. And I'm gonna be happy with this outcome. I can just feel it, guys. I just got good feelings about this. It's all just gonna go right together. No figuring nothing out, no seeing if this works, no trying to get that to work real quick. Everything's working. Working good. I just gotta get it painted, bolt it all back up. We're good to go. And I'm even gonna have a few days to work on my 16. I've got a few things I gotta go do. I gotta go round up some jet fuel. I gotta get the trailer straightened out. Trailer's pretty much good to go. Trailer's clean. It's just got my 16 in it. I'll get my tools together. I need 2 or 3 days just to kind of get everything together, you know. 'Cause I like to take a toolbox, even though I'm not going to have to work on nothing this time around. I don't want to work on nothing, man. I just want to kick back and enjoy the show. Last year I had to work a couple days of it and ended up being for naught. We didn't fly it anyway. Oh well. We're going to do the remating. This is a whole new jet, baby. When Ollie lands it, he's going to be grinning from ear to ear, man. I can just see it now with them darko shades and his pink t-shirt. Hey, man, I got to ask you something. I watched Clockwork Orange again tonight. So was there really guys like that, right, in Britain, in the 60s and 70s? There was some wild dudes, man. That's an old classic. Man, it's late and I'm tired. My finger's really sore right there. Actually, probably gonna end up with a blister. Before it's over with. Oh no, that's gonna blow out and pop a big old blister when I'm painting, getting lacquer thinner in there. Oh, I'm getting close. It's late. Late night shot. Man, guys, my eyes are so... This is weird after you do this for a few hours. You get rivet blind. Kind of like snow blind, but you get rivet blind. No, you're not very much using rivets. No. Yeah, yeah. Sleeping hard. Oh man, almost done. I might even have to let out a wee-hoo or a yippee. Let's see what the other half to do tomorrow. I think I won't have to let loose on the full yippee. Then we get a little happy dance going. Now you ain't gonna see the happy dance till Ollie lands it. When they go running, the wheels are about a half-inch off the ground, the chute pops out. It just greases it in. Oh yeah, I'll be doing the happy dance. Ollie's gonna turn around, smiling ear to ear, going, yeah! I can just see it now. Alright guys, I'm going to get this finished and I'm going to call it a night. Hit the hay.